Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Lee and I come from the northern part of Peninsular Malaysia, Bukit Mentajam. So Bukit Mentajam, if you have been to Prai or Butterworth, you will know where Bukit Mentajam is. I'm there. Actually, I'm not there. I'm from there. Bukit Mentajam, my hometown. We are near to Kedah, actually the southern part of Kedah. If you are from Kulim or from Sungai Petani, you would know where Bukit Mentajam is because we are very near. But we are nearer to Kulim than Sungai Petani. We are nearer. Kulim is nearer to us. And for now, I'm actually staying in the southern part of Peninsular Malaysia, Johor. I'm in Johor now, in Kluang, in a town called Kluang. Alright, for the time being. So welcome everyone to my channel, to my YouTube channel. And welcome everyone for joining my course. So actually, my content is my own book. Alright, this is my level 2 grammar, which is written in 2 languages. Bahasa Melayu and English. Only the explanation part. Okay, the exercises are 100% in English. And now if you look at this book, there are 40 lessons in this book. Okay, whereas for my first book, level 1, Dr. Lee's Method, Grammar, this book I have 38 lessons, and every question, every lesson, every page of this book is already in my YouTube channel. Now I'm uploading my second book, Dwi Bahasa, 2 languages. Only the explanation part, as I mentioned just now, are in 2 languages. The exercises are, completely in English. So the same with this book, level 2, every question, every page, I will upload in my YouTube channel. Okay, so actually we are now at lesson 17, which is forms of the verb. So this book has 40 lessons. We are now at lesson 17. So it means to say that we have another 23 lessons to go. And the book is completed. I've completed the uploading this whole book. There are altogether 133 pages in this book. And now we are at page 47. Okay, so around 90 over pages to go. And this book is already, I have finished uploading this whole book. So if you look here, there are 80 words altogether. All you can see in columns, every day, now, yesterday, already, tomorrow. Okay, now today for this lesson, you don't have to turn to page 46. You know why? Because page 46, I'm actually up here now. What you see on the whiteboard. So actually, if you don't have a book, or if you have a book, you don't even need to see here, because fortunately, I can put all in. So this whole thing is on the whiteboard. So today, we will not refer to the book. We don't have to. Okay, now, you can see the column. Everyday I. So what is this? This is simple present tense. Okay? Now I am, present continuous tense when you are talking about now. This is simple past tense. You can see the word yesterday to prove that it is already over. This is called present perfect tense. Now, present perfect tense means we use this word have. I, you, we, they, we use have. He, she, it, we use has. We use has plus the past participle. This whole row, all these words are called the past participle. So we use has and have with a verb, and that verb is called the past participle. To tell people that something happened or has happened, but we do not know when it happened, or we don't mention when it happened. No time is mentioned. Okay, we only can see the effect. We can see the result of something done, but we do not say the time. We do not know the time. Okay, so this is called present perfect tense. And lastly, simple future tense. Things that are going to happen in the future. And then you can see the word tomorrow over there. You see, so this is English. That is why English is used in law, in court. Because this language, English language, it is very specific about time. When this happened, when something happened, when did it happen? So English is, a very specific English language. It's very specific. Time is stated when something happened. That is why we use it in law, in the court of law. Okay, so because we need to know when it actually happened, how long ago it happened, or was it just recently, or or at the time you are speaking it was happening. It's very specific. Time is very specifically mentioned. Okay, so I will go through one by one with you. If I say every day, I say I drive. But when I say now, at the time I'm speaking, my hands are moving, I'm in the car, I say now I am driving. Drop it and put ing to replace it. Yesterday is the past tense. I mentioned the time, yesterday. So I drove. I changed to O. And then already I have driven. I don't say when. I just say that I have done it. The job is done. Now, I have heard people saying driven. No, it's driven. Okay, the pronunciation is driven. Tomorrow I shall drive. Tomorrow is the future. And then I use shall. Now, for the word I and we can use shall. We can also use will. The rest we use will. We do not use shall. And after the word shall or will, we use the base form. The base form. That is why I underline in green to show you. You are going back here. So remember, when you use the word will or shall, you use the base form behind it. Okay? Base form means the verb has no S, no ed, no ing. That is the base form. Alright? Every day I break. If you are talking about now, happening at the time you are speaking, now I am breaking. What about the past? Yesterday I broke. So break becomes broke. I mentioned the time, yesterday. Already I have broken. No time is mentioned. We do not know when. We don't say when. Tomorrow I shall break, back to the base form. Or tomorrow I will break. For the word shall is used for I and we. The rest we use will. Okay, we don't use shall. Every day I paint. Now I am painting. Now at the time I'm speaking. Time is mentioned. Yesterday I painted. When you pronounce, there is a T, you pronounce it T. Okay, if not you don't. Already I have painted. No time is mentioned. Tomorrow time is mentioned. I shall paint, back to the base form. Or tomorrow I will paint. Every day I erase. Now I am erasing. E changed to ing. At the time you are speaking, you are doing it. Yesterday I erased. Now I have heard people say eraser. No. S has no sound. But T has a sound. T. So there's no S. So you cannot say eraser. No. Already I have erased. No time is mentioned. We don't know when. Tomorrow I shall erase back to the base form. Or tomorrow I will erase. Every day I see. Now I am seeing. At the time I'm speaking, I'm doing it. Yesterday I saw. Change it to the past tense. I mentioned the time. Yesterday. Already I have seen. Past participle. I don't mention the time. And tomorrow I shall see. Tomorrow I will see. Every day I carry. Now I am carrying. ing. Yesterday, time is mentioned. I carried. Why? Drop it. Change to IED. Carried. Already, I have carried. No time is mentioned. I don't know when. I don't mention when. Tomorrow, yes, I mentioned the time. In the future, tomorrow I will see. I will carry. Or tomorrow I shall carry. Every day I get. Now, at the time I am speaking, I am getting. Add one more T. Getting. Yesterday I got. Can you see the spelling? E changed to O. Already I have got. So this one mentions the time, yesterday. But this one, no time is mentioned. So you put have in front. I, you, we, they, have. He, she, it, has. Remember. Tomorrow I shall get back to the base form. Or tomorrow I will get. It's okay. Alright? Every day I hide. Now I am hiding. E, drop it, change to ing. Yesterday, time is mentioned. Yesterday I hid. So the spelling E drops. No more E. Already I have hidden. So double D, D-D-E-N. This one is not hidden. I have heard people mentioning hidden. No, it's hidden. Do you know when? No. Did you mention when? No. So no time is mentioned. Have hidden. Has hidden. Tomorrow I shall hide. Tomorrow I will hide. Is time mentioned? Yes, tomorrow. After will or shall, back to the base form. Back to the base form. Alright? Every day I dream. Now I am dreaming. Yesterday I dreamt. See my pronunciation? Dreamt. You can see ED sometimes. Dream ED. Not so common. We commonly or normally put a T there. Okay? But it's not wrong if you put ED. Dreamt. Is time mentioned? Yes, yesterday. Already I have dreamt. Is time mentioned? No. No time is mentioned. We don't know when. We don't mention when. So we have to use has or have and then dreamt. Past participle. Tomorrow I shall dream. Tomorrow I will dream. Is time mentioned? Yes, tomorrow. After the word shall or will, we go back to the base form. Every day I tear. Don't read tear. Why? Because tear is when you cry. Tear. But this is tear. Okay? Tear the book. Tear the book. So every day I tear. Now I am tearing. At the time I am speaking, I am doing the action. Yesterday, is time mentioned? Yes, yesterday I tore. Time is not mentioned. Already I have torn. Tomorrow I shall tear. Tomorrow I will tear. Back to the base form. Every day I arrange. Now I am arranging. So no more E, ing. Yesterday I arranged. I have heard people saying arranged. No. Arranged. No sound. Is time mentioned? Yes, yesterday. Already I have arranged. Is time mentioned? No. Do you know when it happened? No, but you can see the result. You can see the effect. Tomorrow I shall arrange back to the base form. Or tomorrow I will arrange back to the base form. Every day I repair. Now I am repairing. That means at the time I am speaking, I am doing the job. Yesterday I repaired, not repaired. I have heard people say repaired. No. No sound. Repaired. Time is mentioned. Yesterday. Already I have repaired. Is time mentioned? Do you know the time? No. Did you mention the time? No. So already I have repaired. So we use has and have plus a past participle to show that time is not mentioned or we do not know when it happened. Tomorrow, is time mentioned? Yes, future. I will repair or I shall repair. Every day I build. Now I am building. Yesterday I built. Put a T there, past tense. Time is mentioned. Already I have built. Time is not mentioned. We do not know the time. Tomorrow I will build. Tomorrow I shall build. Is time mentioned? Yes, tomorrow. And can you see the word build is back to the base form. D. Past tense T. Past participle T. Every day I visit. Now I am visiting. Yesterday I visited. Can you see T-E-D? You pronounce T. Like this one. Painted. Visited. Already I have visited. Don't know when. No mention of the time. So have visited, has visited. Tomorrow, time is mentioned. I will visit, I shall visit. Every day I feel. Now I am feeling. Yesterday, past tense. Yesterday I felt. Can you see the spelling? F-E-L-T. The spelling changes. But time is mentioned. Yesterday, but time is not mentioned. We don't know the time. Already I have felt. And then tomorrow I shall feel. Tomorrow I will feel. Time is mentioned tomorrow. Every day I park. I park my car. Now I am parking. At the time I am speaking, I am doing the action. Present continuous tense. Yesterday I parked. Again, I have heard people say bucket, bucket, bucket. K has no sound. So you just say park. This one, time is mentioned. Yesterday, simple past tense. This is present perfect tense. Time is not mentioned. We do not know when. Or we did not mention when. We do not say when. Then we use have. I, you, we, they, we use have. He, she, it, we use has. Already I have parked. That means you can see my car in the space there. The effect is seen. The result is seen. Then you use present perfect tense. Tomorrow I shall park. Tomorrow I will park. Back to the base form. The green underline, the green lines show you that the words are in the base form. Base form means behind these words you cannot see S. You don't put ing and you don't have ed. That is called the base form. Okay? And remember, shall is for I and we. The rest we use will. So this is a topic on forms of the verb. Before you proceed to tenses, this is not yet tenses. This is showing you. This is showing you how we change the word. How you change the verbs. The different forms that the verb takes. Because the verbs keep changing. The forms keep changing according to the tenses. So after this, you must start with this before you go to the tenses. We seldom have a situation, or I would say that it is incorrect to start with tenses and then go to this. It should be this first. Then only you go to tenses. Okay, so you can see with your own eyes, 80 words here. And you must know how to apply. I have already explained. So when we come to tenses, it will be much, much easier for you to understand. Okay, now, if you don't have any of these books and would like to buy, remember you can WhatsApp me 019-7878-299. Okay, you can just contact me, WhatsApp me, and I will arrange for the books to be sent to you. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this class and understand what I have taught. And remember to give me a like, share, and subscribe. And until we meet again in the next video, it is still here, forms of the verb. I presume we need around 4 videos to complete this lesson. Because it may look, easy, but actually there are 80 words here, 80, 16 times 5. Okay, so till we meet again in the next video, goodbye.